What's up everyone? Hi, I am Uma. I am an IR student. I hope you are well. Today I'm going to share my few days with you. I studied until the candle died and my room was decorated with an aesthetic look. I know you really loved room decoration videos and study challenges. So let's go to the video. After the study challenge, I will show you my study area decorations. Oops, I got a gift. I'm going to see what it is first. I love pastel colors, so I think these cute crop tops are really cute on me. So let's move on the study challenge first. This challenge is so productive. You can measure how long you can focus on studying. I use a very small candle. I have seen this challenge done using large candles. This method is very good for improving your focus. So I invite you to do this challenge. If you did this challenge, you can send me a picture via Instagram or email. Yay, I did the candle challenge. For more than an hour, I studied without a break. Now let's move on to your most favorite part. Even after coming to the new place, I could not make it beautiful because there were continuous exams. These days I am also studying for exams, but I thought I should finish the decorations of my work area properly. You see, my wall is empty, nothing beautiful. So I printed some beautiful wallpapers. I also had printed wallpapers. I used them for this too. My degree is in politics and international relations. I like to learn about the world. I love plants, beach, so that's why I decorated my room to match everything I like. So this decoration is definitely beautiful. My study area and I do my business in the same place, so I decorated my workplace and my bed area first. I will show you my workplace in detail in next videos or short videos. So if you love my channel and you like to support my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.